Hello YouTube, it's me again. What I got today, I got something for all you jar heads out there. Thank you for your service, by the way. Just kidding, jar heads. See, get it? I got a whole bunch of jars that I have to find a place to put them, sort them out. Sitting on the floor for a while, so I figured I might as well like get rid of them and do something. So I'm gonna not only figure out what to do with them, I'm gonna show you what's in them all, then I'll organize them after. But I'll just show you what's in it. And there's a good like 30 jars in here, so it's gonna be a pile of junk here. So stay tuned and hold on. All right, what do we got in here now? These are old Steinberg jars. If anybody is from Canada, you probably remember the Steinberg brand grocery store. This one has a boatload of these. Let me turn this on. See if this will work. These little thumbtacky thingies. Let me put some more in there. I'll show you. There, you got a better view. Why do I have these? I don't know. Do I look like I'm doing furniture? I don't know, but I'll put them somewhere. Put that jar here for now. This one has, I think you've seen these ones before. Oh, come on. This has, remind me to fill the damn thing. Yeah. Rivets. Those I'll definitely use at some point or another. I got a few projects I need decorative rivets. I'll just weld them in place. This one's got rivets. Put that out of the way. Put screwdrivers out of the way. This has, this is weird. Look at this. This has chain links, pieces of chain. Like, what the hell am I going to do with that? I don't know. I guess somebody saved chains. Little numbers that say 65 on some of them. ZZR. I don't know. Hey, Ralphie Custom, you want some chains? Probably not. Anybody doing art, some things out there, I'll ship them to you for free. This is finishing nails. Boatload of these things. Yesterday I was picking up stuff off my... I was cleaning off my boots because I had all kinds of shit all over it. I pulled one of these out of my boots. What are these suckers? Ooh, where'd it go? Well, anyway, I pulled a nail about this big out of my... It was basically... It was the exact same size as this nail out of my boot. I was like, what the hell is this? I thought it was a rock stuck to my boot. My wife's like, oh my God. I got another McLaren's. This is a Nut Crush. Look at that, Nut Crush. McLaren's Nut Crush. Anybody want to buy some jars? I'll sell you all the jars. I don't want them. I'll throw them in the garbage. This is a whole bunch of these things. I really don't like these little hooks. Yeah, I can definitely find a use for those. And maybe sometime in the future I might need these. These usually find them on carports and stuff. Let me have them. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. An old square. My fat fingers are in the way. Say an old square nail. Or someone's nail project. Bunch of crazy hardware. I could make 10 videos, but this time I'm gonna make like one big long one. Alright, there's more jars. And what else we got here? Oh, look, a greasy thing of... Well, anyway, there's a whole bunch of ball bearings, I guess. Yeah, they won't even move. Looks like they're all glued in there. Somebody probably left the... they probably left the coleslaw in here, so it didn't come out. I also got to make sure when I take them out of this box. All right, look. I have little copper ringy things in there. I don't know if they're even copper. They look like they're little things. Anybody need some art supplies? I'm serious. I don't want all this shit. So I got that. What's in here? These are little keyway things. Little keys. I forget what they're called. I think they're called keyways. Little, see. I don't know if you can see them. But I mean, the amount of space this is taking up. I can put them in the little trays over there. Instead of taking up this much space, take up like 1/4 of this space. This is something I have thousands of already. Could I get any more? More? And more screws? No. Yeah. Talk about screws, eh? There's that one. And now we got Kraft Crunchy Peanut Butter. Homogenized. It contains peanuts, hydrogenated vegetable oil, sugar, dextrose, and salt. Remember that crap? Okay, maybe we should peel this off, see if we can get the other label off. Let's see. 1 pound of Kraft peanut butter. The jar is pretty cool if I can get this off. Anyway, this is, oh look. Anybody know what those are? Yeah, little things for the tires. Who knows? Somebody's probably outside stealing them on cars. Okay, there's that. What else? Another pile of rivets. This is cool because in this little vial here, there's like, I gotta show you this. What in the hell takes rivets that small? I don't know what kind of aircraft that is, but never mind the tiny, how small they are. It's like, what size rivet gun do you use for that, right? What size rivet gun do you use for that one? All right, this is some little these things. Put your little cards in. That might be useful. The next century, there's a master plumber. What the hell is that? And there's all kinds of rubber bumper stopper, little rubber things in here. What the hell am I gonna do with that? No idea. But you know what? The minute I throw this out, oh man, I should have kept it. It always happens. I don't keep everything, but stuff like that is just, it's inevitable. This is, they look like they're little, they're nuts. Yeah, nuts, but the little flat ones. So they're nuts. So we've got nuts. We got more rivets here. You've seen rivets. Rivets in a coleslaw container. This one's the balls, man. I'm telling you, this is the balls. Listen to that. Are those the balls? Those are the balls. Yeah. You've seen it here, the balls. See, look how much space is being wasted on this thing. That in an entire jar. Okay. This looks like it's been in a fire. 16-ounce jar. This, I don't know what these are. Okay, dudes. Users, viewers, whatever you're... Are these... I don't know. I don't know what the hell these are. Look. This one looks like a baby machinist jack, but I don't think so. With the wrong screw in it. This one could be a baby machinist jack. That is definitely a piece of lead over it. Because, I mean, I don't know. If you have any clue what the hell these are, let me know. I will take them out of the jar and promptly recycle the jar. This one's the balls too. Look at this. Check out. Ain't that the balls? That's the balls. What a ballsy video I got. Oh, look. Don't even know what to do with these. This is a McLaren's Nut Crush. Made from 100% nuts. What the hell do I do with all these? Maybe I can make a miniature cow fence with these things. Isn't that the kind of little U things they use? Can you see it there? Can you see that? Little horseshoe staples? I don't even know what the hell to do with those. If I rewire my entire garage or something. I don't know. Are they, maybe they're for upholstery tacks, maybe? I don't know. Not upholstery. I don't do upholstery. So. Another ballsy one. Check this out. Like, who stores that many frickin', what, BBs in a jar? Somebody ate a lot of damn coleslaw and peanut butter just for this. Oh, look. Crunchy peanut butter. This one has, of all things, nails. Like, I need more nails. I don't even do woodwork. Anybody want nails? Small ones? Do woodwork. These ones are more nails. It's really cool, though, because I don't remember seeing nails with little tiny round heads like that. See? I don't know if you... I never seen them. Look, they got little... Let's see if we can get this to focus in there. Got little round heads on them. They're long. They don't look like anything they sell today. Look, they go nice and deep and whatever. But look, not a waste of space. Like, pretty sure. Oh, this is even more little, tiny nails. A friend of mine dropped this off with a pile of stuff. So, like, look at this big waste of space. Little tiny ones. What do you do? Why do you save these? What are they for? Chew on them? Like, I wouldn't have kept them. I would have just threw them all out. No comments to the peanut gallery on that one. But like, this is canning jar full of those. What are they? Nickel plated, just random screws. Like, oh yeah. I mean, I keep screws. I don't keep all these. I'll throw that in the bin. Cotter pins. I think I still have. There's a jar full of cotter pins. Like, I know the jars they're nice jars, but I don't got a use for them. And this, like, I could do that, what do you call them? The police are chasing me and throw these all over the floor, and I'll just, like, slip and slide and I'll get away. Only in the movies, maybe. And then there's more. Oh, look, they're all 1/4-inch ones. The entire jar of, there's an entire jar stuffed with, there, can you see it? Nut crush ball bearings, 1/4-inch. Wait, what's this? 11 plus bullet, whatever. 11 plus 11 balls of second group, I don't know. Weird. Next one. More. Everybody want ball bearings? K&H steel balls for a bicycle. Dade Steel Ball Manufacturing Company. Anybody work on bicycles? I got the balls. This is cotter pins of monster proportions in a very small jar. What the hell do I do with them all? Ooh, this one's crunchy nut spread. Banana, butter, oh nuts. More steel balls. These are 100 pieces of balls, ball bearings. Well, somebody want to send me a slingshot? Oh, look, my favorite, even bigger cotter pins. Things full of cotter pins. This is, folks, this is what happens when you die. I get stuff like this, and then it all comes to me, and I just go through and throw it all out. So, folks, don't save shit like this. Put it in a nice organized thing. The problem, I guess, when you drop dead is nobody really has the same interest as you. So, oh, look, and more glued together sticky balls. Yeah, more ball bearings. And last but not least, can't forget ball bearings. Whoa, imagine that. Ball bearings. Balls. Anyway, that's what I got to figure out what to do with. I'm probably going to chuck half of it. The jars, I don't know, I'll keep a few of them and I'll recycle the rest. Because, I mean, who the hell wants 1 pound jars? I don't. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. This video is quite long. Sorry about that. It's pretty boring. But I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, comment. Have a good day and happy 2022.